To add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post, first of all, we have to update the Instagram app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for IG or Instagram. And if you see any update available, must update the Instagram app first. Now go ahead and open your Instagram app. And now just tap on this plus icon to create a new post. And select multiple options, and now go ahead and select multiple images from your gallery. So as you can see, I'm selecting (14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20), and here we can see I can upload up to 20 photos at the same time. Now just tapping on next and tapping on next, tapping on share, and here my post is uploading. It may take some moments because I'm uploading 20 pictures at the same time. Once uploaded, here I'm just opening the carousel, and as you can see, I've added 20 pictures in a single carousel post. So that's how you can do it.